attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning. Welcome to the Protecting the Next Generation Drug and Alcohol Use During Pregnancy webinar. This webinar is hosted by the National Alliance for Drug-Endangered Children and presented by Dr. Ashley Baer. I am Susanna Carroll, and I will be coordinating today's webinar with Dr. Baer. Thanks to everyone for joining us today, the day before the 4th of July holiday. We have over 600 people registered for the webinar and many more watching with colleagues. Many of you are already familiar with our signature webinar program. For those of you who are new, I want to give you a bit of information that may improve your webinar experience today. To optimize your audio experience, please close any other software applications you may have open. That's your Word documents, Internet Explorer, or Excel. And it's a good idea to make sure your volume is turned all the way up. Second, the slides for today's presentation are now available for download from our website at www.nationaldec.org. They're on our homepage in the What's New section. You'll also find downloadable certificates of attendance there as well. Again, our website address is www.nationaldec.org. Today's webinar is scheduled for 1 hour. Dr. Baer will speak for about 15 minutes, leaving 10 minutes for questions at the end of the presentation. Please note that all attendees are muted, so please submit your questions in writing via the questions box in your control panel. And finally, when you exit the webinar, you'll be prompted to take a brief survey. I promise it should take you no more than 43 seconds to complete. And now I'll very briefly introduce our presenter. Dr. Ashley Baer has been a pediatrician for the Seminole Tribe of Florida for almost 3 years and has presented on this topic regarding drug and alcohol exposure in utero at the annual wellness conference as